movement. We don't need watered down chocolate, black power. So I'm going to close out with a poem since I'm going to cut everything out. This one is called When You Meet a Member of the Ku Klux Klan. When you meet a member of the Ku Klux Klan, walk up and hit him like a natural man. Take no thoughts to the babies he may have at home. Sympathy defamed when used upon his dome. Hit him in the mouth, push his face right in, push him down a flight of stairs. And pick him up once again. Get your distance from him and take a running start. Hit him, brother, hit him, and please hit the scoundrel hard. Pour some water to bring him back to life once more. Think of how it did your folks in the days of long ago. Make a prayer to heaven for the strength to do the job. Kick him in the stomach. He, a low, unworthy snob. Call out your wife and kids to see you have some fun. Sick your pit bull on him. Float to sleep, the rest will run. Cut him off. Before he gets a running start. Excuse me. Cut him off before he gets 10 paces to the door. Take about a sturdy oak and knock him down once more. This time, you may leave him where he wallows in the sand. He, a spent and humbled member of the Ku Klux Klan. P.S. Then you may bust a cap in his ass. The end.
I'd like to introduce our said husband, Billion.